Respected chairpersons, friends, at the outset I would like to thank Vision 2020 and good friends over here for inviting me over to this very useful session. I am supposed to speak for high-end equipment. This is the solution for quality eye care. I think enough has been said about quality in the previous discussion, but quality is what the customer or the patient values, and quality is not the purview of those who go for experts. Varies from time to time, period to period, person to person. We have patients in our setup who come for extremely high-end expensive treatment. We also simultaneously run camps through all our centers. And I do find that it's often an equal challenge to meet the expectations of those getting their camp surgeries done as it is for patients who come for expensive treatment. So quality is all important irrespective of whom you cater to. And it is again relative to the time and environment. And equating high quality with high expense, I think it's a fallacy. There was a time there used to be a hotly debated topic as to whether phaco should come into acceptance at all. And one of the senior doctors whom all of you are familiar with used to say, phaco go phaco. Never accept phaco. He used to say that that's unacceptable, it's not good for India. Now I know that he runs one of the most successful programs as far as phacoemulsification training is concerned. And this was one of the first machines that I used as far as phacoemulsification. Mind you, this is the machine I'm talking about. And what we are using today is this. We have significantly cut down on the treatment time, the quality of the outcomes that we get, and essentially we are able to discharge and the patients are able to get back to their routine work almost on the next day. Not just in our center, but in many centers I do believe that even patients who come for community service cataract surgery are getting their surgeries done by phacoemulsification, not necessarily with a high-end intraocular lens implantation. It definitely cuts down on the recovery time, the ability to return back to their work. This was the kind of refractive surgery equipment that we had 30 years back. Now we have this, we had this in between, and now this is what we have. Is it necessary for each and every center to have this? But if you are offering refractive surgery as a modality of treatment, and because patients are coming to you at the prime of their productive life, either you offer it or don't offer it, but if you're offering it, give them the best quality that's available today, and I think you owe it to yourselves and your patients to do that. This is the way the intraocular lenses have evolved. This was the lens that I had already used. This was the way I used to operate when I was along with Dr. N.K. Agarwal during our post-graduation days in RP Center, and this is what we use today. It's not imperative that every cataract surgery should get a multifocal toric intraocular lens implant, but the fact that you are able to have this available for such of those patients who need it and can pay for it is extremely good. And the fact that we are able to, at least in our Indian subcontinent, we are able to provide good quality at subsidized level at the right cost is again something which is extremely welcome. As I mentioned, quality eye care doesn't necessarily translate to expensive eye care. I know of several centers, several highly advanced centers which are centrally air conditioned, which do not have a 90D lens in every refractive lane or every consultation chamber. I do believe this B-scan estimation, equipment like this, where even in a community setup, is extremely important and definitely augurs well for good quality care. And even if you are talking about community ophthalmology, having the right kind of equipment, teleophthalmology, obviously it's high-end equipment. It might be available to you at the right cost today and may be accessible to many of the centers. But then it does allow us to practice community ophthalmology in the best possible manner. Again, improving upon the quality, we might say that these scanning equipments are expensive equipment. But obviously, in the third millennium that we are in, if we have to offer the best of professional care to our patients, you need these equipment. You need to optimize the usage of it. It's not necessary that every center must have the highest quality equipment, the highest quality phaco machines, but we need to ensure that they are properly utilized. And This is an equipment which has come there, laser refractive cataract surgery. Obviously, I do not believe that this is necessary today. But 2 decades from today, just like phacoemulsification got accepted, maybe with enough demand for it, enough companies coming forward to produce this might impact upon the quality of vision that we are giving to our patients and might become a standard of care. Obviously, today we need to weigh the benefits versus costs in everything that we do, whether it's a private organization or a governmental organization or an NGO. As far as these two match up, according to the vision of a particular individual or the organization, I think quality and going for high-end equipment is extremely important. You might feel that this simple chair is not necessary. Why not just have a table? But every consultation room in my hospitals, we have 6 of them have this particular chair. It costs us about 50,000, maybe 10 times more than just a simple wooden table. But I think it makes life so much more easier for every patient. I buy it lasts for 20-25 years. I do believe that addressing quality in even these small aspects is extremely important. That is what translates into better outcomes. These people need not be introduced to you. Shankar Nethalaya, Arvind Eye Hospital. I had the privilege of visiting Dr. B.K. Jain's place, Colonel Deshpande's place, almost a half a dozen years back. I hope they will call me again sometime. And now today when I discuss with them, compared to what I saw that day today, they said that they have translated their entire setup. They have become extremely quality conscious, and that consciousness has translated to bringing the highest end equipment, incorporating this equipment. Obviously, I do not believe that high-end equipment alone is enough for delivering quality eye care. Just because you have the best of phaco machine, you cannot expect a novice surgeon to offer the best of results day in and day out. If it was a choice between technique and technology, I'll always vote for technique. But if you have the technique, having the right technology is always a significant way forward. So I do believe that integrating the right kind of equipment at the right cost is extremely important for delivering high quality eye care. Thank you so much.
Thank you.